Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pick 3 Kansas here, and as usual I'm going to start off by going over the numbers that were drawn in tonight's draw, the 13th of February 2020. So this is the list that this is the list of combinations that I was suggesting that people should play, and as usual, there was no straight hit or even a combo hit. I see a couple 6-4s, but other than that, I would say that it was a failure once again, but you gotta fail before you can win. So this is the numbers that were drawn were 6, 1, 4, and I wanted to point out that 6, 1, 4 is right there. It's touching. I did not write it down. And another thing that I've never talked about here is the mirror numbers, really. So 9 mirrored is a 4. So the mirror of 4 is 9, or the mirror of 9 is 4. So basically 4s are 9s in the lottery lingo. And so I would count this as one time of 614 showing up in the chart. And then I would count this 691 as 2 times, and then right here 619, that would be 3 times. So basically what I'm saying is, and it gets very confusing, but you always want to pay attention to your mirror numbers as well when formulating or deciding what combinations you want to play. So I did things a little bit differently. This is for Valentine's Day, the 14th of February. So what I did here, I still did my 317 rundown, and making sure you guys can see, but I did something a little bit different. So I saw someone do this technique here. It's 1 up, 1 down, and a flip. So you basically will take your winning combination, 614, and you'll just add 1 all the way down until you get back to the original number. And then the same with this row, except this one you're going to go down 1. So that we just went down, down, down until you reach back to the original digit. And then the flip, you just have to have your flip chart out, and you just flip each number. So if a 4 flipped is a 7, a 7 flipped is a 0, 0 is 3, and so on. So basically what I did was I filled this all the way out, and then I have a chart that I mark off each time that numbers are that are drawn. It's all 120. 120 possible 3-way combinations as far as like just the digits, not exactly, just the possibilities of them falling in either of the 3 positions. And it also has a chart of the doubles and triples. So what I do it's on my phone, and I just put a dark blue dot next to the 3 digits once they hit, and then once they hit again, which it's happened, I want to say 15 times after tonight's draw, because I would say that 614 we've had previously, and I only go back till the 1st of January. So basically I've documented all of the combinations from the 1st of January up until tonight's draw. And so I put a dark blue dot next to the 3-digit combos when they first show up, and then when they show up again, which like I said has happened now 14 or 15 times, I put a green dot next to that blue dot, so I can always bust out my chart and look. Now, I personally would not lean towards picking numbers that have a blue and a green dot, just because there's like I said 120 plus, what is it, like 90 or something for the doubles. Sorry, I don't have the exact numbers, but I just feel like even them happening like they have, like the 15 where it's happened, like and actually one combination, the 418, came out exactly 418 twice since the beginning of the year. So it kind of makes me question the whatever methods the lottery is using to determine the pick three. In my honest opinion, they should go back to the balls, make it completely random. It would just seem a lot more legit to me, because these repeat numbers are just, they drive me crazy. So I went ahead and I did a minimal list of numbers that I recommend for tomorrow. I got the 707, the 521, the 238. I think that 125 this one would be a repeat. So I actually I chose combinations that have previously been, that have hit, but only once, because of how many times I've been seeing these repeat numbers. Which I think that statistically maybe it is like 72% of the time it's supposed to be three completely, random straight digits or what have you, and then the other percent of the time it would be, a double, and then the most rare ones, which is a triple. And like I said before, we are due for a triple. Speaking of that, I should say we should go ahead and add our triple to this list as well. I'm trying to see here what we got going. So we've got the 611, and 6's mirror is 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that 111. And a lot of people like that number. We've also got it here, 111. And here 116, and 6's are 1s, 116. So I would say that if a triple was to fall, that 111 would be, it'd be highly likely that that would be the one that does drop. So all right, yeah, I'm gonna keep this list to a minimum here, just because I feel like it'll be a little bit easier, and it's not so many numbers, or combinations or possibilities for you to play or choose from. So thanks again for watching my video, and as always, happy number picking.